Have you ever wondered how to breathe life into cartoon characters? In this video, you'll learn how to animate characters like me.
Animated? What do you mean? I'm not animated. I'm completely real.
So, the way my eyes turn into hearts when I see pizza isn't real? My life is a lie! Buckle up! It's time to make some magic!
To get started, go to Adobe Express Animate Voice and hit the Start Now button. Sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. It's completely free. First, you need to select a character. You can browse all the characters or select a category like people, animals, food, creatures, or even emojis. Just click on one of the characters, and it will automatically add it to your video. You can change the size of your character using this scale here. Alternatively, you can click on any corner and drag it in or out to adjust the size. To reposition the character, click on it and move it where you want it to be. Then, pick a background image that fits your project. If you want to go with one of the pre-made backgrounds, you can use the filter to find one you like. There's also the option to upload a custom background. I'll go with one of the backgrounds from the gallery. In the next step, select the size of your video depending on where you want to publish it. To bring your character to life, you must provide it with a voice. You have two options: record your voice directly using the record button, or upload a pre-recorded audio file from your device. If you use the record option, make sure to toggle on Enhance Speech. I have my voiceover ready to go, and will upload it as an MP3 file. It's generated using ElevenLabs text-to-speech. Check out the link in the description. Adobe Express will now analyze the audio and work its magic to animate the character with lip sync, movements, and facial expressions. This process may take a moment. When your video is ready, you can preview it.
Wait, hold the honey jar. Did I just speak? This is very exciting. It's time to start a podcast about the best spots for afternoon naps in the woods.
Adjust the handles to set the beginning and end of your video if you want to trim it. When you're happy with your animated masterpiece, click Download to save it to your device. If you want to make further adjustments, click this button to open your video in the editor. Now, you can add text or graphic elements to your video. When I click on the character and try to move it, you can see that this is not possible because the bear and the background are merged into one layer now. But what if I want to place elements behind the character? Let's jump back to the animation page and generate the video with a transparent background. When I open the new video with the transparent background in the editor, you can see that the bear is now separated from the background.
Hello? I feel like I'm in a polar bear's dream. This background is as empty as my honey jar. Let's make it more fun.
Absolutely. Let's add a background that pops. Navigate to the Elements tab and select Backgrounds. You can use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. Click on the background you like, and it will instantly appear in your video. Let's look at how you can place an element behind a character. If the layers are not visible on the right side, click the layers icon to enable them. Then, add the element to your video and position it where you want it to be. You can see that the bear is behind the butterfly. I want to bring the bear to the front. To do that, I'll select the layer with the bear in the Layers panel and move it to the top.
And there you have it. If you like this video, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more bear-tastic content.